Hi, this video is about the OpenERP6modules.com site which Pragmatic has launched recently. In this site, you can search the modules which you want in different paths like OpenERP apps, GitHub and Launchpad. It makes the search easier. You can also share your modules from this site. So first I'll do the search part. Suppose if I enter rent here. In OpenERP apps, I get these options. If I click on OpenERP module 6 site, I get these number of options. Then if I go on the Launchpad, I get an option of OpenERP renting module, and on the GitHub I get OpenERP rent. So if I click on this link, it will take me to the GitHub site from where you can download the module. Now the next part is about how to share the modules in this website. So click on share modules. You get three options. So we'll go one by one. First we'll do the manually upload. Give the title here and the author. You can give the website URL and the repository URL, the version of OpenERP, some description. If you want the module to be free, then you have to load the zip file of your module, and if you don't want it to be free, you click on no, and then you just have to give your email address and the module price. Suppose I want it to be free. You can also give the video source. So I click on upload here. See, you get your module has been sent to admin for approval. So unless the admin is not approving for your site, you won't be able to see the module in the lists. Now we'll go to the GitHub. For the GitHub, you have to type the username of the GitHub and the repository name. And suppose the module name is OpenERP Rent. When I click on Get Repository, I get all the details of that module which is there in the GitHub. Now I just click on Upload. Again, I get the message that my module has been sent to admin for approval. Now, as you can see here, the module which I had uploaded is here in the list. Now, the last upload is from the Launchpad. If the branch already exists and the zip file is there, so if I click on Get Project, I get all the details of that module with the zip file. If I have a module which is not there in Launchpad, so it will make it mandatory to load the repository URL and the zip file there and then upload the file. This is the list of modules which you have shared in OpenERP 6 modules. If I click on show, then it will give me the download option plus the comments which I have given here. You can also give your feedback in OpenERP 6 modules, which is the last part of this website. You click on feedback, you write your email address and the feedback and hit on send. So this is all about the OpenERP6modules.com. Thank you.